That's a lot of leather.
Yeah.
I'm not prejudiced. I hate everyone. That's funny.
That's locked.
Curses.
Curses. This is going to be a little sketch.
I don't think the gimbal's going to show how shaky this is to walk on. And Zach fell right through the floor. No, Zach, no.
This is like the ultimate man cave. Even Captain Jack is here.
Captain Jack. Man, that got high.
It is a shame. Because this is so cool, right by the lake. Common occurrence is these fans with the,
No, yeah.
they're like, we're wet.
They just wilt and die. And for everybody that said that there were people living in that one house, you're dumb. There weren't.
What
Don't try to scare me like that.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Y'all just broke into somebody lives there.
Jack, no! Look, little Jack.
Where? Aw.
This used to be a jacuzzi. What?
Still is.
Just realized.
It still is.
I mean, right now it's just a plastic bowl.
Oh, neat. There's the JBL.
Old JBL.
Pumping up the beats.
Leap of faith. What?
Destruction.
They'll remember this as Zach. We remember Harvey. They'll remember that as Zach.
That's right.
That's right, they will.
That's right, they will. Rah. That's why it's called a paddle boat.
Oh, I've always wondered. I thought it was because you had to take your hands and do little doggy paddles.
You want to go for a ride?
Take you for a ride on my big red paddle boat. We can go slow, and only slow because it's a paddle boat. This is Sketchville. I just want everybody to know how unstable this is. I think that's not fun. It looks like it was mucked out pretty good.
Yeah, it didn't even smell.
So that's the good thing. They got to it really fast.
Yeah, it was really telling. Once the water subsided, this whole street was just full of trucks and volunteers.
I don't even think it got up to the. Yeah, it didn't even go up to the ceiling in this house.
Yeah.
That's really good.
Yeah.
Because like the ones that went to the ceiling, it's like nothing is salvageable.
Yeah.
You're done.
Yeah. It's definitely still.
There were some that were still underwater for like a week and a half after or something like that.
Yeah. I believe it.
When they were like, they just condemned the house. They were like, no, like there's nothing you can do.
Yeah, you'll see some of those.
I like how you look like a DGM spokesperson right now. You got the hat and
Well, here at DGM, dangerous goods are our life, and this is dangerous.
so it's our life.
This is the only hat I have.
You only have DGM hat?
That's it.
I need to buy you a hat.
Yeah, you should. I've got 3 kids. I buy them things.
I buy them things. Such a good father. And you're how we're gonna get the single mother views?
Yeah. This is the chimney that Santa first went down.
That's history for you. It's a lot worse made than I was expecting.
Yeah.
I feel like we should have like a catchphrase.
It's like you know how people go to the bedroom like, oh, this is where the magic happens. No, this is where the magic happens.
This is where the true magic happens. The toilet.
A catchphrase. Like Zynga. No. Flooded. You got flooded. Fart. That solar shield.
Yeah, something like that.
The good thing is, like a buddy of mine at work, his house got flooded. He said, "Man, the great thing is, I can run I'm networking my whole house now." So he ran
I saw some
wire.
people doing that.
Yeah.
I was videoing some.
Because if you think about it, a lot of homes, if it's older than 10 years, that really wasn't a thing.
No, yeah.
Like, people didn't really care about it. I mean, even wireless wasn't a thing. It was like barely coming out. So you've got some here. DSL phone. DSL.
Yeah. Oh, how I miss thee.
Yeah, so this house is actually dried out pretty well.
I saw something where it got under the tile and it just
Yeah, you had to pull
everything
it
had
up.
to go.
Yeah.
This looks nice. Like this is
Yeah, I haven't heard any like air pockets or
good job, Jason. What was his name?
Jason.
Yeah. We'll edit that out. That's what I was gonna say. It's just a cool night. I'm glad it got saved.
Oh.
Shiwax.
Shellax. Garbage disposal doesn't work.
That's unfortunate. Where's the garbage disposal?
This is how all the floodwater came in.
It pretended it was a dog. Came right through the dog's door. Gets him every time.
It's a cool house.
It is a cool house. I'll buy it. How much? Give it $12. And a 4th eaten pack of gum.